Hey everybody, and welcome to week 2 of virtual cocktails at the Monocle. I'm your host, Deanna Danger, bringing you on this virtual journey. Thank you so much for joining us on week 1. We so much appreciate all the shares that you sent out. We're aiming to bring you about 1 cocktail a week, and we also appreciate your suggestions. So if there's stuff that you like when you come into the bar, stuff that you want to know how to make at home, just drop us a line on the comments on the video, or head over to our website and fill in the contact form. And speaking of our website, that's also where you can find ways to support us while we're closed. We've got our GoFundMe up there if you would like to send in a donation. We also have gift certificates, so you can buy yourself a future present next time that we're open. We've also added this week our t-shirts. We've got a few t-shirts left if you would like to sport a Monocle Man t-shirt as you do your grocery shopping around town. And with that, I would like to kick it to our sexy bartender, Bobby.
How's it going, everybody? Bobby, your bartender here over at the Monocle. Last week I showed y'all how to make one of the old fashions that we get a lot of requests for here, and I hope y'all enjoyed that recipe, and I hope you enjoyed the cocktail. This week I'm actually going to show you a little something you can do with that bottle of gin that's lying around your house and a couple of household ingredients, and with that in mind, I'm going to show you how to make a bee's knees. Bee's knees is actually really simple. The only thing that you're really going to need for this recipe is going to be some good dry gin. Today we're going to be using the local favorite Pickney Bend, some unsweetened lemon juice, and just a little bit of room temperature honey. With that in mind, you're going to take some of that gin, give yourself a good 1.5 to 2 ounce pour on that. About an ounce of the lemon juice. Just a good dollop of honey in there. Preferential on sweetness is how much honey you would use for this. But always make sure that it's at room temperature or else you're not going to get a good mixture on that. And just combine all of these into a shaker with no ice. You're going to dry shake this the first part. So get all your ingredients in there. Give that a good mix. Get that honey to dissolve. All right. After that's mixed up, go ahead and add a little bit of ice to that. Give that a good second shake to get that chill in there. Usually tell when it's done, you'll get a good frost around that glass, around your mixer cup. And then you are just going to serve this straight up into a coupe or martini glass. Get a good cloudy color on that. All right. That is looking pretty fantastic. And that tastes fantastic too. Hope you enjoyed this cocktail tutorial on how to make a classic bee's knees with me, Bobby, here at the Monocle, and I hope to see y'all in the future. Enjoy.